getting in shoes that are almost impossible to fill. The performance of William Ruto in his first term, when he was allowed to serve the people of Kenya, was on another level. Please, I beg the people of Kenya, not to measure me with the performance of William Ruto, because you might get disappointed. I'll try. I may go up to 60 or 70%, but filling the shoes of this man is no small feat. And as we move forward, I want to ask the people of Kenya to work hard. We don't have a choice. Once we try to fix this economy and create a good working environment where we don't criminalize enterprise, where ordinary Kenyans are allowed to work, where businessmen are not harassed by KRA, where goods belonging to the people of Kenya will never again be touched by overzealous public servants. Where again poor people will never again be evicted in brutal evictions by state agencies. And I say, freedom is here. Let every Kenyan be prepared to work hard. Let us give our new president a chance. And I beg you to be patient with him. We have come to the treasury and the coffers are empty. We have to start from scratch. We ask for people of Kenya to be patient and give us a chance to try to get things working. Finally, as a Christian, I take this opportunity to thank my wife Dorcas, Pastor Dorcas, for being a prayer warrior, for praying for me in difficult times, for standing by me. I want to thank my children, Kevin Gachagua and Dr. Keith, that even when state agencies came for me with the brutal efficiency, you never abandoned me. My family, I will ever cherish you for standing with us. And I must tell the people of Kenya, please take care of your families. Those are the only people you can rely on. Friends abandoned us. Business associates betrayed us. But family will always be there for you. The story of William Ruto is one of inspiration. Today, millions of Kenyans are looking forward that if an ordinary child could be president, even them working hard and praying to God, one day there will be some people in this country. It is now my privilege to introduce the people of Kenya a man of great resolute, a true warrior of the Republic of Kenya, a man who is committed to public service, a man who believes that every hustle matters, a man who believes that every Kenyan must be given a chance, a man who has committed his life to the service of the people of Kenya. I want to invite the fifth president of the Republic of Kenya, the one and only William Samoei Ruto. I want to appeal to all leaders to embrace forgiveness. It's there in the Bible. I, regarding Gachagua, was badly wounded before the election. I was humiliated. I was persecuted. I came into office a very bitter person.
But through prayer, and I want to thank my wife, she prayed for me, and within 1 year, all the bitterness had gone. I was a healed person. I have forgiven anybody who may have wronged me, and I've asked anybody I wronged to forgive me. Is there anything wrong with us forgiving one another? That is what we, as practicing Christians, that we forgive one another. I don't know why anybody would have a problem if I forgive my brother, I forgive my sister. Let's all forgive each other. And I want to take this opportunity in Meru. Members of Parliament, if Governor Kawira Mwangaza wronged you, please find it in your heart to forgive her. Members of the County Assembly, if Governor Kawira wronged you, please find it in your heart to forgive her. Similarly, Governor Kawira, if members of Parliament, members of the County Assembly wronged you, you are the mother of this great county. Please have a big heart. Extend your heart and forgive them so that we can be able to move forward. That is the way we build this county. That is the way we build our nation. That is the way we build this country. So mimi nataka kila mtu tusameane. Kwa sababu hii maneno ya siasa is very temporary. We are the same people. And I want to say for the avoidance of doubt, because it's important, because many people say many things. Regarding Gachagua, Deputy President, is a peacemaker and have a proven track record for creating peace among people, among leaders. Last year, there was a great problem in Kericho County between members of the County Assembly. They were fighting physically. And after hard discussions with my boss, President William Ruto, I called the members of the County Assembly for a full day, and we negotiated peace and unity in Kericho County. And because of that, the County Assembly of Kericho is united in purpose, and development is moving on in earnest. Hapo baadaye, governor and deputy governor wakaanza kupigana. I spent 2 nights bringing the governor of Kericho and the deputy governor together. After I brought them together, there is peace in Kericho. So I don't just talk about the unity of the Mount Kenya region. I talk about the unity of the Kenyan people. And I assist the president to manage politics. As he is busy on the economic front, when there is a political challenge in areas which we consider to be our backyard, I move with speed and try to restore order and normalcy. Na ndio mimi nimeenda pale Kericho, and I'm a very proud leader that under the wisdom and direction of President William Ruto, I was able to bring the people of Kericho together. Na iko amani. Hapa Meru, mimi mwenyewe nilikuja hapa, nikaita governor, nikaita kila mtu. And I negotiated peace and unity. And there was peace for a year. Because I'm a peaceful person, I'm a leader who knows the benefit of a united people.